Everybody, welcome back to my channel. For keeping my promise, I will come back to my channel for creating video content. Actually, yesterday, I have promised that every day in the morning when I walk in the road, I will make a video content. But I could not work in the morning today because yesterday I went to my bed so late, and that's why I have get up so late early in the morning. But I never forget the making video content. So I am standing in my balcony now. I will share my today's routine. Today I get up at 9 a.m. and after getting up I refresh myself. After refreshing myself, I am creating the video content. After creating video content, I will start study till I will study till 2 p.m. After 2 p.m. I will take lunch. After taking lunch, I will take a rest for some time, and after taking rest, I will start study again. After studies, I will go to my tuition. Today, I have to do two tuition. After finishing my tuition, I will come back to my home, and after keeping my cycle, I will go to travel. And I am so excited because my best friend Nasrul will come to Shazbatpur today. Actually, after 8 days, he will come to Shazbatpur today, and I am waiting for him to spend a beautiful moment with him. So after traveling, I will come back to my home. After coming back to my home, I will study again. Then I will go to bed at 11 p.m. So that's all about today. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page, and share my video for learning English. And I am wishing your good health. I am wishing your mental and physical well-being. So that's all about today. Thank you so much.